Hello, my name is Hania Solis. For the course of English Phonetic, I am going to share with you the task 3 about vowel sounds. The step 2, we have to record in a video pronouncing the vowel and diphthong symbols in isolation and in words. A student must take into account the variation in the position of the tongue to produce each of the symbols. Let's start. Here we have vowels and diphthong symbols. These are symbols of the 5 vowels, and these are diphthongs. Okay? So we have long and short vowels. For start, we have these symbols: E, 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 as in weak. Ah, ah, as in the word hard. We have O, 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 as in fork. U, U, boost. E, E, as in pig. E, 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 as in pet. As in bear. As in kite. As in cod. U, as in put. O, as in duck. O, as about. And now diphthongs, vowels according to the International Phonetic Alphabet. We have A, as in place. O, as in home. Ow, as in mouse. E, as in clear. Air, as in care. Oi, as in boy. I, as in find. U, as in toe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.